Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, February 25th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of last week. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. So on gold, this right here, down here, definitely could be the end of a WXY on like the daily, weekly time frame. If it is the end of a WXY, then this is definitely going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and keep on trending up. So for me personally, I am definitely looking for longs at the end of pullbacks, at least until we get some sort of a significant break of starts to the downside on at least the 4-hour time frame and up. I will definitely be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1-hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I personally would have to wait patiently for a nice pullback. I would have to see at least a three-way pattern to the downside, something like this: ABC down, go long, ABC down, ABC down, impulsive up, go long. So if I do see three waves down, a nice ABC shape, right to a Fibonacci retracement level, which really it could be any one of these, then a nice big engulfing move to the upside, that is going to be my next entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, I will definitely continue to look for longs, at least until we get some sort of a significant break of structure to the downside on the 4-hour to daily time frame, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.